In this video, we'll walk you through how to create your 247Tasker account. Open your browser and go to 247tasker.com. On the top left corner of the homepage, click on Sign Up. You'll now see the Sign Up screen. Here you can create your account in two ways. Fill out the sign-up form or sign up instantly using your Google account. To create your account manually, simply enter your first name, last name, email, password, and phone number. Make sure to check the box to agree to our privacy policy and terms. Once everything is filled in, click Sign Up. A confirmation email will be sent to your inbox. Open the email and click Verify to activate your account. That's it. Your 247Tasker account is successfully created. You're all set for the next step.